She is gold and silver medalist in national. She is talented and calm.
Hi, I'm Nandini. Horse riding is also known as equestrianism. Equestrian sports become a part of Olympics in the year 1900 and in Asian sports it included in the year 1982.
Hello everyone, today myself Chanchal and I'm going to share my experience about horse riding. At the beginning when I came in for a horse riding, I was a bit scared. After some time I gained the confidence. The teacher guided us to how to control it, how to sit on it, how to maintain the balance on it. They also told us about the horses. At the last, it was a wonderful experience and if you have courage and confidence, you can do anything.
Pranam everyone, my name is Tanisha Gulara. My experience in this swimming camp have been incredible. As a beginner, I started with no prior knowledge of swimming, but under the expert guidance of Shikha ma'am, I have improved a lot. Those students who only knew a little bit of proper floating had made a significant progress.
Here we are very fortunate to have Shikha ma'am, such an experienced and knowledgeable coach leading to our swimming camp. It was a very new and nice experience for me. Here I have improved my swimming skills. I have enjoyed a lot with my friends.
My personal favorite activity is dance, and our dance guru's name is Miss Swati. She's a wonderful guru. She helps me and everyone in expressing ourselves in a beautiful way. She is teaching us 3 dance forms during this summer camp: Rajasthani folk, freestyle hip hop, and semi-classical. And my personal favorite is semi-classical because it is our national dance form. In this, we are basically learning the Kathak of Jaipuri Gharana, which contains the expressions and bhavras, which is the true essence of the feminine beauty. And we all are thankful to be a part of this wonderful summer camp and grateful to be a part of this beautiful school with wonderful and helping team of teachers. Dhanyavad.